Hi, in this video we will talk about the difference between the if-else and if_else command. So the first if-else comes from the base R and if_else comes from the dplyr package which I've loaded down there. So if you haven't got this package installed, you can install it from packages and install packages. So I'll run it and I'm going to use empty cars dataset, which is a built-in dataset like this, and I'm going to put this into another data frame called df. So running this command creates a data frame called df and it has exactly the same data as empty cars. So now using the dplyr, I want to create a new column called label using the if else command, saying if the horsepower is more than 100, if the horsepower is more than 100, then put the value high, otherwise put the value 0 in there. See, high has been put under a quote, which is a character variable, and then 0 is a numeric. Let's see. So we have actually run this. Mutate command and see what happens. We have a new column called label, and it has the value high and then 0, high and 0, depending upon our HP. If the HP is less than 100, the value is 0, otherwise it's high. And now let me run the same command using the if_else. If I run it, I get an error. And the reason is because it's more strict. It forces you to make sure that you are using the same data type. So if I do it now, it should run. Yes, it has run. So the first thing which we know now is that if_else is more strict compared to if-else because it forces you to use exactly the same data types in both. So that's one difference. So if I go to help if-else, it tells you two things, saying compared to the base if-else, the function is more strict, which we have seen. And the other thing is it says that it's somewhat faster. Let's check that thing as well. So this is a package called micro benchmark, which allows you to check the speeds. So it runs a function multiple times and then gives you the value. So running the first if-else, the base if-else command, and let's see what it does. It's going to run it multiple times and it gives you the values in terms of the minimum value, low quartile value, mean value, median value. So it has run the function 100 times. So the median value is 2.12. So I'll just put there. Now I'm going to run and check the value for the base. Yep. So now I'm going to check the value using the if-else command and see if it's any faster or slower. Okay, so in this case the median seems to be 1.688. That means it's much faster than what we did. So though it might not matter in terms of a smaller function, but when you have large data, it might actually matter a lot. So hopefully you found this information useful. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.